Hi guys, my name is Ratan. Every video starting. Hi guys, my name is Ratan. Okay, going good. And we are discussing HTML classes, right? Good. Guys, last class what we done? Tell me. Last class continuation. Last class we started HTML list, right? Good. What is the purpose of the list? To display the data in the proper format. Display the data in what? Proper format. And displaying the veg products, displaying the non-veg products, displaying the product features, like that. How many types of list there are? Three types of list. We are discussing order list, unordered list, and definition list. I think last class we done with order list, right? Order list means OL tag. When to use order list? Tell me. Where the sequence is important, go for the order list. Top 10 movies, top 10 movies, curry preparation steps, go for the order list. Where the sequence is important, right? What the tag we have to use? Tell me. OL tag. Every item contains what tag? Li tag. Li item 1, item 2, item 3, item like that. Every item should be taken a Li tag, right? Yeah. Next one is what order list is by default taking the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If you want change the Roman numbers means you can use the type equal to I. Then Roman numbers will come. Type equal capital I means capital Roman numbers. A means what? Tell me, ABCDs will come, capital ABCDs, right? Yeah. And generally the value index, the value starts from 1, the sequence number starts from 1, but you want start the number from the 5 means start equal to what? 5. The value starts from 5. So display the data in the reverse order, the numbers are displayed in the reverse order, right? This is called reversed, guys. Okay, sorry, clear, right? That is the information we have. Today class will go for the what list, guys? Order list or unordered list? Unordered list, right? Guys, unordered list means where the sequence is not important. Where the sequence is what? Important, not important? Not important, right? Where the sequence is important, go for the order list. Where the sequence is not important, sequence is what? Not important, then use unordered list. Got the point, right? Sequence is not important. Some people are saying that this is called bullet list, right? Bullet list. And order list, some people are saying that sequence list. Order list means what? They are saying like sequence list, right? Exactly. Guys, order list means where the sequence is important, guys. The tag is what? OL tag. Every element is what? LI tag. Unordered list means what? Bullet list. Unordered list means the tag is what? UL tag. Unordered list, right? Exactly. Just tell me unordered list means when to use unordered list? Unordered list means what? I want to print the fruit names, right? I want to display the fruits. Because I want to display what? Fruits names, right? Fruit name is order is important or not important? There is no like no top one fruit, top two fruit, right? All of the fruits. I want to display the fruit names. Okay, another list, right? Otherwise, you joined in the gym, right? Gym training, no? Gym training, you can say benefits, right? So when you go to the gym, they are displaying all the benefits, right? The sequence important, just you are getting the benefits, benefits, right? Yeah, gym training benefits. Otherwise, you join some courses in institutes, right? When you join the course in institute, they are saying that you will get the lab papers and what morning to evening training, and you'll get the mock interviews. The benefits of the training program, right? Tell me, guys, benefits of what? Benefits of what? Ratan sir classes. Otherwise, what are the benefits of Ratan sir classes? Tell me, guys, what are the benefits? You please comment the benefits, okay? Please comment the benefits. What are the benefits? Tell me. Everything is real time. The class are going good. There is no sodi. All are what? Bullet points. All are what? Bullet points, right? Exactly. Benefits or others are classes. Sequence is not important. Where the sequence is not important, go for what? Another list, right? Another list means you are saying like bullet list, guys. The tag is what? UL tag. Okay, the syntax will be we have to write. The syntax is what? What the tag name? Tell me, guys, here. UL tag. Another list. Okay, just you can close the UL tag. Every list item here also you can take what tag? Li tag. Li tag item 1. Tell me, guys, close what tag? Li tag. Like that you can take item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, right? This is called order list. Unordered list, guys, here. Unordered list, right? Exactly. Nothing but a bullet list where the sequence is not important. Clear? Good. Guys, last class I written the code. Let me open that file. See, this is the last class local disk D HTML videos. We have the HTML file list example file. This HTML file. Open this HTML code last class what we written. So open it, edit plus, maybe you know this one. See guys, this is like order list previous class written. Na? So in the same example, let me add the unorder list also. Guys, that's what here. Title let me change here. This is what list examples, list information otherwise. What information here? List information. This is called order list or unorder list. Order list we display top 10 movies. Guys, let me take some fruit names, guys. Try to understand the concept first, okay? So fruit names. Just you can take the what you can say, guys here. Fruits names. Fruit names means what? Order important, not important. Order is not important. That's what you are going for. What? Order list or unorder list? Unorder list, right? Exactly. Guys, come to the browser. Here previous class we done this like top 10 movies list. This is called order list where written H1 tag. These all are like order list items. Now we click on the refresh. See guys, here we got the fruit names. Yes, we got what? Fruit names, right? This is called unorder list. Tell me guys, to take the fruit names, what the tag? Tell me. Guys, what the tag? Unorder list, right? Please respond. What the tag? Order list, OL tag, UL tag. Definitely need to take the UL tag, right? UL tag means what? Unorder list and close the unorder list. And every item you can take what tag is here? LI tag. List item tag. Tell me close the list item. Tell me some fruit names here. The first fruit, let me take the apple. Yeah, first fruit I'll take what? Apple. Tell me guys some fruit names here. Apple. Next one is what? Okay, mango. Next one is tell me guys apple, mango, and you can take the banana. Next one is what? You can take the orange. Tell me small names here. Don't tell the pomegranate. Pomegranate means who will write the spelling? That much spelling. So orange, apple, mango, banana, orange. Tell me guys next one. Small name, small name. Can I tell the grapes, right? Exactly. Okay, this is like unordered list. Just you can save the code, come to the browser and what? Refresh. Now see guys, we got the data. This is our bullet list, guys. We got the apple, mango, banana, orange, and grapes. Okay, this is the order list. Sequence is coming, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is order list, unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list means what? Sequence coming, bullets are coming. Bullets are coming, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, yes or no? That is called unordered list, guys. Where the sequence is not important, just look at the bullets, right? Bullet list, guys. What list here? Bullet list, right? Exactly. Guys, see by default it is coming as a bullets. If you want, just you have the option like change the data to change the bullets into the some different format. Type equal to what? Just you can take the square. Type equal to what? Square. Type equal square means just you can refresh. Now see guys, now it is coming as squares. Guys, it is coming as what? Squares, right? Apple is like square, 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 and what? Square, right? Exactly. And I think one more option is there, that is what? Circle is there, right? Yeah, some attributes you can check it. Okay, type equal what? Circle. Just you can refresh, you got the circles. Okay, this is a filled circle, unfilled. By default, bullet. Bullet is a filled circle, right? Yes, yes, sir. No, bullet is coming, right? Yes or no, yaar, please respond. Feeling important. We have to feel you are in the class and you have to respond, right? You have to feel you are in the class. Guys, fruit names is what? Order list or unordered list? Order list. We have the apple, mango, banana, grapes, orange. Guys, if you remove this type attribute, by default you will get the bullets, right? Yeah, let me keep it as a bullet format, no problem. Just you can keep it as a bullets. This is apple, mango, banana, orange, and what? Grapes, right? Exactly. Okay, clear? So that is called unordered list, guys. That's enough for the unordered list. That is enough for what? This is order list and what? Unordered list, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah. Guys, check this video and write the class notes. Meet in the next class. We'll go for the definition list. Okay. Bye, guys.